What's your name?
My name is Hare.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and traveling.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain.
How often do you travel?
I travel twice a year.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
How often do you go out with friends?
I go out with friends every weekend.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like Italian restaurants.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax and spend time with friends.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
Do you like working out?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like burgers and fries.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home every day.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
How do you usually celebrate holidays?
I spend time with family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I like learning new things.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the gym and watched a movie.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I love watching movies in the cinema.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Sarah.
What's your favorite sport?
I love playing tennis.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch football every weekend.
How often do you use social media?
I use social media every day.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy making new friends.
How do you stay motivated?
I set small goals and work towards them.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, I enjoy teamwork.
What are your strengths?
I'm a good communicator and problem solver.
What are your weaknesses?
I tend to be a perfectionist.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I find it very rewarding.
What are your career goals?
I want to become a manager.
Do you like learning new skills?
Yes, I enjoy gaining new knowledge.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, I like the flexibility.
How do you handle stress?
I take deep breaths and stay calm.
Do you like your colleagues?
Yes, I have a good relationship with them.
How do you prepare for a meeting?
I take notes and review important information.
Do you like public speaking?
Yes, I feel confident speaking in front of others.
What's your favorite part of your job?
I love working with a team to achieve our goals.
Do you prefer working in the office or at home?
I prefer working at home.
Do you travel for work?
Yes, I travel for work sometimes.
How do you stay organized at work?
I use a planner and make lists.
Do you like attending conferences?
Yes, I enjoy learning from industry experts.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a business owner.
Do you like working on projects?
Yes, I enjoy managing projects.
How do you stay productive?
I set clear goals and prioritize my tasks.
Do you enjoy taking on challenges?
Yes, I like solving problems.
How do you handle deadlines?
I stay focused and manage my time well.
Do you work well under pressure?
Yes, I stay calm and focused.
What motivates you at work?
I'm motivated by personal growth and success.
Do you like working overtime?
No, I prefer to have a work-life balance.
How do you deal with difficult customers?
I stay calm and try to find a solution.
Do you like networking with other professionals?
Yes, I enjoy meeting people in my industry.
What's the most challenging part of your job?
Managing multiple tasks at once.
Do you enjoy collaborating with others?
Yes, I think teamwork is important.
How do you improve your skills?
I take online courses and attend workshops.
Do you enjoy your work environment?
Yes, it's a positive and supportive environment.
How do you stay creative at work?
I take breaks and brainstorm ideas with others.
Do you have good time management skills?
Yes, I prioritize my tasks and set deadlines.
How do you handle feedback?
I listen and use it to improve.
Do you enjoy helping others at work?
Yes, I like supporting my colleagues.
How do you balance work and personal life?
I set boundaries and make time for relaxation.
Do you like attending work events?
Yes, I enjoy networking and socializing.
What's your greatest achievement at work?
I successfully led a project that improved our productivity.
How do you handle difficult tasks?
I break them into smaller steps and focus on one thing at a time.
Do you have leadership experience?
Yes, I've led several team projects.
How do you manage your workload?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance.
Do you enjoy mentoring others?
Yes, I like helping others learn and grow.
How do you handle workplace conflicts?
I try to communicate and find a compromise.